In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change workspace icon on Slack. If you want to give your Slack workspace a more polished look or update its branding, changing the workspace icon is a quick and simple way to do it. The workspace icon is the image people see associated with the workspace, so using a clear, recognizable image can make your Slack environment feel more organized and professional. To get started, open Slack and look toward the top left area of the screen where your workspace name appears. Right beside the workspace name, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down to open the workspace menu. This is where Slack keeps several workspace-related options. From the menu that appears, click on Tools and Settings. This section gives you access to more administrative and customization options for the workspace. Once you open it, look for the option labeled Customize Workspace and click on that. This will take you to the area where you can manage visual and custom elements for your Slack workspace. On the customization page, find and click Workspace Icon. This is the specific section where Slack lets you update the image used for your workspace. If you don't see it right away, just take a moment to look through the available customization tabs until you find the icon settings. Next, click Choose File. This opens your computer's file browser so you can select the image you want to upload. After that, choose a file from your device. It's a good idea to use an image that is clean, easy to recognize, and ideally square-shaped, since that usually works best for icons. A logo or simple graphic often gives the best result. Once you've selected the file, return to Slack and click Upload Icon. Slack will then process the image and apply it as your new workspace icon. After the upload is complete, your updated icon should appear for the workspace. If it doesn't show immediately, give it a moment to refresh or reopen the workspace to confirm the change. Also, keep in mind that depending on your permissions in Slack, you may need to be a workspace owner or admin to make this update. And that's all it takes to change a workspace icon on Slack. It only takes a few clicks, and it can make a big difference in how your workspace looks and feels.